everybody, I'm the Collector here, and welcome back to my channel. Today for you, I have two of these Nobody Gets Left Behind Stitch figures. I really want the Sweet Light, or the Surfer, or the Hawaiian, any but the Ready to Rock, because I already got that one. I got two. I think one is from Zenmart, and then I don't remember the other one I got from. Oh, there's a Terrapole. Hello, Amber. There's a card, so we don't want to look at the card. These are from Pop Mart products. Oh, we got the ice cream! One! Yay! He's fuzzy too. Here's the card. His name is Sweet Light. Cool. So we got, so far, two new figures for the shelf. If you saw the last video. Oh, we got a Sleepy. It looks like he's sleepy. This one is where's the surfboard? Oh, it's down here. Oh, wow. So yeah, I got both of the ones that I wanted. His name is Surfbreak. I think he just sits on it. He don't really. But to me, he looks like he's sleeping. In the surfboard. Oh no, it's not fall off. Super cute. Alright, what's your favorite today? Mine is probably the ice cream one. Comment, like, subscribe, share, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.